Hi guys, this is Shivram here again, and this is another video for coaches and consultants. And in this video, I'm going to make your life easier for you. I have found something which I would love to share. So this is little triggering, and probably you will be asking a lot of questions to you once you have a look at this. So let me share a small presentation which will discuss about the problem and the solution. So this is an invitation to all the friends who are coaches. So dear friend, dear coach, avid competition, do you dare to be different? Okay. Do you dare to be different? Are you looking forward to try something, test something, experiment something, and basically get something? So let's explore. It's a small video, and I promise that you will be given a solution. You will be left with a solution, not with a question mark. So let's proceed. So this is the current scenario of so many coaches and consultants in the industry in India right now, right? So we are serving 13 coaches at present, and these are the common problem. Facebook bans. So like everything goes fine, all of a sudden a low-priced competitor comes into the picture. Sometimes it is a very high cost of acquisition if you want to target new audiences, or you want to scale up, or if you want to change your thing. Yeah, it's a weekly stress, not only for the coaches but also for agency owners like me. That if you're doing a weekly webinar, a weekly workshop, or weekly coaching, then every Monday is a stress. So you finish a great Sunday, and every Monday you are stressed again. Even if people sign up for the webinars, sign up for the workshops, less people show up. That also reduces your upsell. Your potential audience size is reduced if people don't show up. And sometimes people show up, but they don't have a buying intent, and the upsell is low basically. Apart from that, you need to manage a team, you need to manage an agency or something, or probably you need to manage yourself. Most importantly, you need to manage your cash flow, right? So from if I tell you that, if I suggest you something, if I give you a solution which is systematic, automatic, planned, controlled, scalable. Remember this sixth thing: systematic, automatic, planned, controlled, scalable, and predictable. Okay. So let's explore how we can do that. So this is my ideology, guys. If it is not fun, it is not a funnel. So your funnel should be fun. If it is not fun, it is not at all a funnel. So what we need to do here is think outside the box. We hear this word so often that we should think outside the box, and we should create something. But every time you don't need to reinvent the wheel, and probably there are solutions around you, which I have found, which I have experimented, tested, failed sometimes, and finally got success with many coaches in different models. So I'm going to share you something which will help you avoid stress, anxiety, monetary loss, and time loss, and also take you out from a hectic life. And you will get peaceful business model, almost automatic. I don't promise you that it will be 100% automatic, and it will be system driven coaching model which you would love to have. So presenting you guys 8 semi automated funnels for coaches. So there are different models. If you are adapting to one, come out of that, experiment and test other models, and life will be easier. So coaching is fun with evergreen profit funnels, and this video is specifically about coaches. So first, then the most important and the my most favorite funnel is auto webinar funnel. People do not have time. Let's say like you run an ad, people come to register for your webinar, and let's say they like you invited them on a weekend or a weekday, and at that point of time they come up with some urgency. So they, even if they are intentional, they miss your webinar, and if they miss your webinar, your business plan is gone, right? So this one of the most favorite and most suggested funnel which you can implement in current scenario is the auto webinar funnel. So this is one case study which we have run for last 1.5 years. Is the auto webinar funnel. It is a code. There is a course upsell at the end of the auto webinar, And there is also a physical good upsell. This physical good upsell idea came after we ran the webinar for some time. We sold courses for some time, and what happened is we could see that if they are taking the training, they will also need the equipments, tools, and the result is very simple. A $27 product scaled up to a 200,000 USD revenue within 1.5 years. And this is a real funnel in right now, right here in India. Okay. So I'm not talking about the US, though I have mentioned it in dollar basically. So it's basically a 2000 rupees product scaled to 1.54 crores. Next in the line, which is my funnel, okay, which is what I personally do is I leverage a lot of on social, and I built my funnel, and I sold a Indian rupees 5,000 course and have taught more than 250 people. And how I did it, I think I started doing videos in the year 2018, and slowly and steadily I grew my Facebook live and Facebook videos funnel. I did not go for YouTube. My YouTube is still weak. And what happened is I started doing videos on topic I would like to share and discuss. People started watching the videos, people started interacting. That got me client because I'm a business owner. But what happened is people started asking for more, and I launched a workshop in 2020 June. Yeah. So it started with a 2000 rupees workshop. I scaled it up to 2500. I increased the price. Then I sell it at 4999, and I am going to scale it up to 9999. Oops, I told the secret. In this month, basically in the month of October. And what are the byproducts I got here? Because I run an agency, I got close to $18,000 services upsell. That is digital marketing services. And many people didn't want my service, but they wanted one-to-one consulting on their strategy. So these are the upsells, and this is what I made. Now if you ask about to me, like, I can share my own cost to sell a 4,999 product. I spend anywhere between 800 to 3,400. That varies between this price, and it has been profitable right from the beginning. Next funnel in the thing is the ebook funnel. So I have done it for a friend in the US. So he's basically a SAP consultant, and he teaches SAP to people who wants to upgrade to, like, learn SAP and upgrade their skills. So he started with a $7 ebook, and he does a 97 per month masterclass where it's basically two models. He takes questions, answers that's in the master class. He also presents something. So he has been able to scale it from 0 to 4,500 within a month. And this has happened during September 20th till now. I'm sorry, August 20th till now. So more than 1 month. But yeah, roughly 1 month you can say, because 10-15 days we took to build the funnel. Now he finished his MBA. He wanted to do something. I said, why not do this? And he took it up, and he's happy now. Okay. Of course, like, he was happy. But yeah, this is something which he wanted to do, and he has done it. Next in the thing is most popular lead magnet funnel. Be careful that, if your lead magnet is too boring, too common, too typical, then nobody's going to touch that. It is not going to result in anything. So lead magnet has to be useful and usable. People should be able to consume. If they consume, they'll come back to you. If they don't consume, they'll never come back to you. So lead magnet funnel we did for a friend who is a coach. He works on helping people on productivity, maximizing profit, and also creating a system for them. So he started with a free checklist and a workbook lead magnet. He tested with multiple lead magnets. Then what he used to do is he used to circulate this lead magnet. Then people who consume his lead magnet, read his lead magnet, used to schedule a free consulting call. He used to give it in the PDF. Then he used to sell his services. He runs a consulting firm. He hates it. The consulting firm is around him, but he has people to help, and they provide services. They create SOPs for people. They provide, let's say, like, complete process automation, manual, offline or online, whatever it is, workflow management, all these things. It's a high ticket service, and he has sold close to 12,000 worth services in last 1.5 years. Yeah, roughly 1.5 years. And this is a part time, apart from his traditional model, apart from his regular stuff. He did it and he has done it. Yeah, this I have done in the beginning when I was running my agency and I needed leads. Instead of creating leads one by one and talking to them, I did a group consulting funnel. And it was when I was having a very small team, 3 to 4 people team. So I used to do group consulting call. I used to select a particular niche of people. For example, first step in the funnel is the free group consulting. You ask a particular type of particular niche of people to your group consulting call. Then you sell one-to-one paid consulting call, paid consulting basically. So one of the friends who is a LinkedIn expert, not the one you think, okay, he is very big now. The other one, there is a guy who is a LinkedIn coach, gets roughly up to $3,000 a month by just doing one-to-one consulting. He is working somewhere, so he doesn't do it full time. Neither it is his profession, but yeah, he loves to do it, and he's a LinkedIn coach. He's the executive vice president for a company. I can't take his name, sorry. Yeah, mini workshop funnel is also picking up. And many people are moving to mini workshop. So it can be a 3 to 4 hour workshop. And recently we did it for one of our clients. So 100 to 150 participants come every week. So initially it started with 8%. Now it has scaled up to 13% conversion. And there is a remarketing level 1 product that is roughly 8 to 10,000 rupees. Then there is a further upsell, people who complete that 7 or 8 courses. So this is also very, very popular and you can adapt to it. This we did it last year when the COVID had started and coaching classes, training institutes have closed. So we started a demo class funnel where the technical training institute started demo classes. So they used to give a trial class of 1 or 2 or 3 classes. People used to register for the demo class. Then they used to do counseling and they used to sell a $800 course that is close to 50,000 plus. And the cost per acquisition was very interesting here. The cost per acquisition in the entire thing. We used to take care of the lead cost, Facebook cost, agency cost, the cost of telecalling, the cost of counseling, and over on an average, it was $120 to $180. So it was a straight $600 profit per acquisition. Weekend workshop is very, very important and very, very picking up because people have started coming to the mainstream and they do not want to attend workshop during the weekdays. So weekend workshop is a very good idea. So you give lots of value during the workshop and nurture your thing. So we are maintaining for multiple coaches here, and the attendance varies between 200 per week to 3,000 per 15 days, and ideally 5 to 6 to 7 8 whatever it is, roughly maximum 8% upsell has happened, and the cost of upsell is roughly around 100 to 1,000. Now guys, why I'm sharing this, because coaching has to be fun. If it is not fun, it is not a good funnel. So you did not be stressed if you're coaching something. If you're teaching something, teaching is learning every day, right? So if you're teaching something, you also learn something. So you learn new things, you teach new things, you keep your audience engaged, you make money, you grow, your attendees grow, and you help people grow. So it should be, everyone should be benefited, everyone should grow. Then only your business will be fun. If it is fun, you will be more intentional, you'll give it more time, and actually you will make more money and help people make more money. Be productive, be healthy, whatever is your product and services. So that is my objective, guys. So if you are stuck somewhere, if you are looking forward to experiment something else, if you want alternative models for your workshop, for your coaching, for your courses, then reach out to me. As an agency owner, I love helping people. I love solving your problem. And I would love to have a discussion, one-to-one discussion. And if you want, you can bring your key team members. I'll bring in my key team members and we can have a kind of chat and explore what we can do for you and how we can solve your problem. So I'm looking forward to meeting you. Do reach out to me. My email ID is asaram@buzzard.in. I showed it in the video. And drop me an email with whatever you want to share, whichever stage of your journey you are. And I would love to talk to you and discover what we can do. Thank you. Bye.